Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
Over
Yeah.
to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi everyone. I am Abhilasha Khare here. I am practicing Sahaj Yoga since last 20 years, and I found, it needs to be shared in society. So, time to time, I am just giving introduction of Sahaj Yoga and asking people to practice it, advising the people to practice the Sahaj Yoga, because I found there is so many society benefits on that. Society benefits means what we are doing. When we are human being, we are the social person, and social person needs some social characteristics to be enriched to make the higher society. The higher society means higher values. Those values I found while practicing of Sahaj Yoga. There are things which we can, uh, firmly introduce to everyone. And I think here today, you all are here to know that what all those things. So first of all, may I ask everyone to switch on your cameras and please give one line introduction of every one of you. Hello. Hello,
Hello.
Preeti. Hi.
Hi. I am Dr. Preeti Trivedi and I am working as Associate Professor in SGS ITS Indore. And I am working here since 2000. And I am eagerly waiting for this session actually, because I want to join this. I want to join Sahaj Yoga. I want to do Sahaj Yoga. I want to do meditation and all that. So I was eagerly waiting for that, and now today that day has come now.
You know,
Thank you.
everyone, Preeti is my school days friend, and she came to me in contact while, lockdown. And since then, she's asking me about this yoga. So I invite her today to just please come over here. Hello. Hello. Anyone else? Shall we start now? Okay, I'm starting. Are you able to see it? Hello.
No, no,
Are you able to see it? No?
no, no, no.
Okay, 1 minute.
No, Abhilasha, screen is not visible.
1 minute. Are you able to see it now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, now it's visible.
Okay. Okay. 1 minute. So everyone must have heard about the Sahaj Yoga. Sahaj Yoga, actually, it's a Sahaj Yoga. Sa and Ja. Sahaj means born with you. सहज योगा, वो योगा और वो सिस्टम जो हमारे साथ जन्मा हुआ, जन्म के साथ ही हम इसको लेके आए हैं. So today we are just trying to know what is Sahaj Yoga. So before starting to this, I am just giving you one introduction directly by the founder of the Sahaj Yoga, and then we will start. Are you able to see this screen with the video YouTube? Hello. Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah, yeah. Screen is visible.
Okay.
Screen is visible. Now video is not.
Video is not okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, now it's visible. Video is running also. Audio is not there.
Audio not there?
No.
Oh. Now? Now it's coming?
You increase the volume. No, it's not audible.
Okay,
Still
no
it's not
problem. Leave it. Okay, it's okay.
You
It's okay.
increase your volume from your system.
Okay. Still not coming?
Not yet.
Are you able to hear?
No.
No, Abhilasha. No,
Okay,
it's
we'll
not
leave
audible.
it. No problem. Stop share. No problem. So here, please tell me, all of you, I just want to know what you understand about the meditation and how many people are practicing meditation, different type of meditation. I just wanted to have an idea. Anyone?
Doing a simple
Hello.
meditation. It's an Om chanting I was doing all these days.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Anyone else?
मैंने सेल्फ हिप्नोसिस किया है। मैं विजय शाह बोल रहा हूँ
अच्छा,
और बड़ौदा से।
हाँ हाँ,
और सिल्वा मेथड भी किया है, बेसिक एंड अल्ट्रा सिल्वा।
ओके,
हाँ।
okay, good. So here we are just trying to know here what is Sahaj Yoga. As Sahaj Yoga, actually this is we are just going to be the knowing ourselves over here, reaching to ourselves. How we are reaching to ourselves? As just going to be a thoughtless. How to go to thoughtless? Some people say the meditation is when we are meditating, there should be the concentration or to fix and to our effort towards the fixed attention. That is, concentration is the meditation. No, it is not the meditation. Sometimes people are just focusing on the colors or the sound, just putting the some soothing sound and sitting quite closing the eyes and saying, oh, it's meditation. No, it's not the meditation. It's just locking yourself somewhere. Next, sometime it comes while doing the exercises, while doing some pranayam, doing some exercises. This is the yoga. No, this is not the yoga. This is the physical exercise. What is yoga then? Or is the mental effort is the yoga? While continuous repetition of your particular sentences, or you just saying something, or you just stop thinking? No, it's not the thing. It's just controlling your mind. Controlling your mind is not the meditation. Meditation is going beyond the mind. Beyond the mind is what? Going thoughtlessly aware. When you are present, you are in present, but there is no thought. You are effortlessly sitting without thought is the meditation. But how to go to thoughtlessly? You can't go thoughtless without some techniques, and that technique is called you to achieving or awakening yourself, reaching to yourself. But what is that awakening? Awakening is the one of the energy within us. We have the energy within us. When that energy is awakened, when it is processed through our mind, body, then that energy connects us to the power, which is cosmic power, which through which the small trees becomes the big tree. When the flower is going to be the fruit, or the small seed is going to be one small germination, that is the one power, the cosmic power. When we get connected to that power, we get thoughtless awareness, and that is called the yoga. When the Atma connects to the Paramatma is the yoga. When your energy, when your consciousness is connected to the all-pervading power, that is the yoga. And that yoga is, you can call it as Sahaj Yoga. Sahaj Yoga in other way also we can call the yoga, the Sahaj, Saath mein janma hua, which is came with your birth. That is Sahaj Yoga. Second thing, Sahaj means spontaneous. It happens in spontaneously, like how we are breathing. For our breathing, हमारी सांसों के लिए हम किसी से पूछने नहीं जाते, हम कोई उसके लिए एफर्ट नहीं लगाते. That is living system. The same way, Sahaj Yoga is the living system. I said this Saha plus Ja, born with you. The Sahaj Yoga, born with us spontaneously. Yoga is the union one or our own divine energy with all-pervading power. What happens? Why we do this? When we get Sahaj Yoga meditation, we feel the connection. We feel the connection in the form of cool breeze. In the form of, in your palms, you will feel that cosmic energy in your hands. That cosmic energy you will feel in your fontanel bone area. That time we feel thoughtlessly awareness. That is called Nirvichar Samadhi. Nirvichar Samadhi, there is no thought. That is the meditation. That is the pure meditation. Then we will start. Just now we will check it, how it goes. The awareness of the chakras and nadis. In that self-realization or the Sahaj Yoga meditation, we will come to know that when we are meditating, we are connected to the whole power. That is called collective consciousness. You know what is collective consciousness? You know, whole system, our whole system, whole atmosphere works through the collective consciousness. What is in that? Before going to the deep into the Sahaj Yoga, first we will try to know what is actually will happen or happening within us. Any human body, as we are saying, we are the body, we are having 2 hands, 2 legs, nose, eyes, everything. This is the outside of the body. And every human being, every human body has one subtle body. That subtle body contains some nadis, which is called channels, and those channels is, you can call this in Ayurvedic language or the pure Hindi or Sanskrit language. These are the Pingla Nadi, Sushumna Nadi, and the Ida Nadi. The Ida Nadi is of our left channel, it's the left side, and the Pingla Nadi is of our right side, and one is the Sushumna Nadi, which is at our center channel or the center side. These 3 nadis or these 3 channels, they actually work on us as our personality. How our personality? Ida Nadi shows that our emotional personality. Pingla Nadi is our action personality. The people, some are very much, job oriented, work oriented, so much kind of work oriented people, they are called under Pingla Nadi. Sushumna Nadi, who are the balanced people. Comes why we want to know all this, because on the basis of this you will be able to relate yourself that what kind of person you are, and when the energy will awaken you will come to know that what is the things is missing in us and how we can come up to make it perfect human or perfect nature or perfect system what it is needed for our society, for our family, for ourselves, for our kids, everyone. Along with these nadis, in our body, we have some chakras. Those chakras are called nothing but the nervous system, which the bundle of nerves which communicate through our physical system. These we are having some chakras from right below. These are in our spinal cord, and it is called Muladhara chakra. One is the first, is the base of our spinal cord. It's one of the Muladhara chakra. Second is the Swadhisthana chakra. Third is Nabhi, Anhad, or we can call heart chakra, Vishuddhi chakra, Agya chakra, and the topmost is called Sahasrara chakra. What are these chakras? These chakras is nothing but the subtle in our subtle system. These are the small nerves of the bundle of nerves which works on our physical system also. So whenever we have any issue, much before that, through chakras we can know that this is the problem is happening. Before getting the diagnosis from the doctor, we ourselves, while doing this meditation, we can come to know this is the happening having within us, and this can be cured by our own energy. What is our own energy? This is the Kundalini energy we have in ourselves. This Kundalini energy everyone has. When the child born, that time when the child comes in mother's womb in the 2.5 months pregnancy time, this energy comes to the child spinal cord and the heart. We say that sometimes you must have heard the doctor says the heartbeat came or heartbeat is not there yet. The heartbeat comes means that the divine power which making the human being, that the power, divine power, that is called Kundalini, and that is one more thing that is called Paramatma ki Atma, that we call Atma. The set of Atma and this Kundalini. This is the Atma is our, that is, it's coming in its Sakshi Bhav. It's for not saying anything, it's just there. And this Kundalini Shakti actually working as an energy within us. What happens? This energy works when the child gets around 5 years, when it develops its own being, its own thinking. That time this energy system gets in dormant state. And while dormant state, what happens? We are using our Ida Nadi and Pingla Nadi to work. So you must have seen some people are very much emotional, some people are very workaholic, some people are very much balanced. So when this energy sleeps, only these two energy works within us. The third energy, which is called the Susamna energy, and where the Kundalini passes, it gets in inactive state. So when the Sahaj Yoga meditation or when the Kundalini awakens, this whole body system works, and we see so many benefits of using these meditation. Let me admit some people are there in the room. Now, this Kundalini, what I told you, what is this Kundalini? This Kundalini actually the power of ऑल पावरिंग पावर, और वी कैन से ये परमात्मा की एक शक्ति है जिसको मुस्लिम्स या कुरान में रूह कहा गया है, क्रिश्चियंस इसको होली स्पिरिट बोलते हैं, ताओ में इसको परम चैतन्य बोलते हैं, और हम लोग इसको हिंदी में या हिंदू धर्म में इसको कुंडलिनी बोला जाता है। होती ये सभी धर्मों में इसके बारे में बोला गया है। एंड व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज एक्चुअली द प्योर डिजायर. It is the pure desire of that spirit within us, which is we can call this is our pure desire. We have our so many desires, you know, we want this, we want that, but these all desires, somewhere we go at the end and again the another desire rising up. So those desires are not the pure desire. The pure desire is this our Kundalini Shakti, which helps us in spiritual better. And this energy is, as I told you, it's in our sacrum bone. It's the below point of our spinal cord. There is the sacrum bone, and in the sacrum bone, it is in the dormant state. What is that? As I told you that the principle of this energy system is given in every religion, in every spiritual traditions. The Kundalini word is used in different form as Ruh, Holy Spirit, Tao, Param Chaitan, and so many. 1 minute. So this is actually our subtle system. We are here seeing same that I showed you before. This is our subtle system. Now, we are just in Sahaj Yoga, what we are doing, we are awakening this Kundalini energy within us by through some affirmations and by grace of the founder of Sahaj Yoga, Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi. She managed this system to work on it. It's going to be finished in 10 minutes and we will reconnect again after some time. So right now, what happens when this system awakens in that? So we have to do through this system regular meditation, which gives us the knowledge of chakras. We will get the inner peace, and it's some physical, psychological, psychosomatic problems. It slowly it gets disappears, and we improve. One I have seen, we improve first of all ourselves. We feel calm, we feel highly energetic, we feel highly knowledgeable in our place. And second thing, we feel that improvement comes in our family, professional and spiritual life. Founder of Sahaj Yoga, Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi, she born in 1923 in India, and she was born in Christian family. Mr. Prasad and Carolina Salve, you must be knowing that our father was in our first constitution. He was the minister in our constitution, and she is coming from royal dynasty of Shailiwanas. She worked for Quit India movement also, and she was working with Mahatma Gandhi also, and her father also was in Indian Constitutional Assembly during the time of that. Now, what is in that? Let's go for meditation. Actually, Sahaj Yoga meditation. We'll just skip this slide. Here, I will ask everyone just to experience whatever I have told you, that Kundalini is awakened. When the Kundalini awakens, we feel calm. So first of all, we feel the inner peace. Second, we feel the cool breeze in our hands, in our palm, and we feel the coolness on our top of our head. So we will feel it, this energy, and we will feel that that Shakti and that power, the cosmic power, in our fingertip, how it goes. So everyone is ready for that? Hello.
Yes, yes.
So let's
Yes,
start
yes,
this.
yes.
Yeah. So here in the screen you are seeing here the 9 steps. These 9 steps we have to follow. Before starting it, let me tell you, show you how we will do it. In the first picture, we'll keep our right hand on our heart and left hand on we'll keep on our left. We have to follow this step. So just I'm showing right now and then we'll start. So first hand will be, I think we are just going to end this meeting and we'll connect it in, no, still we have time, no problem. One is keep our right hand on our heart. Here we will say Mother. Here we are praying to our Mother Kundalini. We are praying to our own Shakti. So we have to be very humble about ourselves to our Shakti. Here we'll say, Mother, am I the pure spirit or am I the spirit? हम अपने आप से ही यहाँ क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं कि क्या मैं शुद्ध आत्मा हूँ? इसको हम 3 बार कहेंगे. Then second step will be here. Here we will keep our hand to the left side of our upper stomach area, as is shown in the picture. And here we will ask, Mother, am I my own Guru? And the third picture, the third stage, we will keep our hand to the lower part of our stomach and we'll ask here, Mother, please give me my pure knowledge. And the lower part of our stomach is the place of our knowledge. So that is called the Swadhisthana Chakra. So we will ask here in the third that give us our pure knowledge. The fourth is we will again come back to our upper heart, upper stomach area. Then again we'll say, am I my own Guru? Because in the third step we ask for the knowledge, and the fourth step we'll say that now I am my own Guru. On the fifth step we will say, yes, I am the pure spirit. On third stage we will again see here, we'll keep our hand on our left side of our neck. Here we'll say, I am not guilty. Now here say, I have said here that I am the pure spirit. So when I am the pure spirit, then I am not guilty at all. Because whatever happens, it happens. It's nothing, no need to guilt. So we have to say here, I am not guilty for any of the cause, any of the thing. The seventh step we have to follow and say here, I forgive everyone, I forgive myself. When I am not guilty, or in that case, I have to forgive myself. Don't keep anything in your mind for anyone, because if we forgive anyone or not, it doesn't matter. It's only we are playing with our thoughts. It's nothing happened to other side. So just we have to say, I forgive myself, I forgive everyone. Then here, Mother, यहाँ पर on the 8th we will say, we'll keep our hand on back of our head. We'll say here, Mother, please forgive everyone. Here we are asking our own energy कि please सबको क्षमा कर दीजिए, जो कि क्राइस्ट का फॉर्मूला था, जो कि क्राइस्ट ने कहा था कि forgive everyone. And the 9th is we have to put our hand on our fontanel bone area. There we have to press hard and say here, Mother, please give me my self-realization. What happens over here in 9th step? That energy which is in our, that dormant state in our sacrum bone, it come up on our call to this fontanel bone area, and it connect us to the all-pervading power, all the cosmic energy which we are just feeling, not seeing, but seeing, that we are seeing the trees are growing, we are breathing. This energy we will feel on our top of head and in our hand. So this is the steps. These are the 9 steps we have to follow, and that will be, the milestone for our journey. So everyone is ready for that?
Yes.
Here, 2 minutes are left. So shall we start it, or we can see these steps, once again. So after 1 minute, we will just start these. First step is we have to keep our hand on our heart. Okay. Here we have to say, I am the pure spirit. Am I the pure spirit? We have to ask ourselves. Okay. Second is we have to put our right hand on our left side of upper stomach area where our ribs gets end. Here we have to say, am I my own guru? 6 times we will say. Then third step, we will take our hand to the lower stomach on the left side. Here we'll say, please give me my pure knowledge. We'll say 6 times this. In the fourth step, we'll put our left hand again on our upper stomach. Here we'll say, now I am my own master because I got here knowledge. And in the fifth stage, we have to say again, I am the purest. And if I am the purest stage, on the sixth stage, on the back side of your neck, the left side of your neck, keep your right hand in. We'll say here, I am not guilty at all. I am the purest spirit. And this, all the steps needs your, the respect for yourself. Just be respectful to yourself and follow these steps. We are coming back in 1 minute, and then again we will start this. So please connect in 1 minute again. It's going to be end. So we'll just
Yeah.
disconnect again. Okay. Please everyone connect.